Hello, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to start a new Java tutorial how to start create a new Java Hello World app. Let's open Eclipse. Once the Eclipse is opened, you can create a workspace by browsing it and creating a folder. You can choose any folder for as a workspace and create it, and you select that any workspace, then launch this Eclipse. Here you can create a new Java project either by clicking on this or normally this is enabled by default. When you start initially open as a fresh, you can get it. Later we won't see this kind of things. The best thing is you can go to new. Here go to files, new, and new Java project. You can create the new project name. First, Java tutorial as a project name, and you can use the environment as Java Standard Edition 21. I hope before installing Eclipse you need to install Java. The video for installing Java will be shown in the next in the another video. So you can keep everything else as same, and you go to click next, and you can keep the source as a source folder and the same as a source folder. We don't need to do anything here, just go to click finish. Allow output folders, default output folder is allow output folders for source folders. Okay, same, this is okay. Then now you have gotten a new project, Java project. This is a Java project. So this is a source folder is a place where we write the code. First, any file should be in the packages. First we need to create a package. So to create a package you need to go file, new, other package. Otherwise you'll get a default package, the scope will be default. So in order to have a, that's not a best practice. To have a best thing, you need to create a package. First, the package can be a dot separated name like Java tutorial. First, okay, Java tutorials. You can keep it Java tutorials. You should not keep Java as a name, it will be shows error. Java tutorial dot first, or Java tutorial example. Main do not use keywords of Java as a package names. Default .com. You can keep Java tutorials.com. Maybe you can use Java tutorials your name.com. Okay, then you can see the package is created. Now we create a new class, main class. You can go to the file, create new class, create a new class. You need to create a class name. First example, hello world. You can keep hello world like hello world Java. I don't want to be confused. The Java all class will end with .java file, so it will be hello world Java .java will be there, so we avoid that. So hello world we keep in a class name as hello world, and we need to have a main method. You need to check this one, and by default every class is a super class of an object. No, every class inherits, every class super class will be the object is the super class of every classes. Object is the super class of every classes. So we keep it this default, and we click finish. We get this first syntax of a simple hello world Java class. So here you can see the package name should be javatutorials.com. .sunil.com is a package name. Here we have the same package name. Packages are defined by this symbol, and we have a class Java with J for Java. You can see hello world.java. The class name and the file name will be same, hello world. It will be hello world. only .java is an extension .java. That's what different. Next, this is the main method. Public static void main with strings arguments will be the default main method. It is a main starting point of executing of this program. So you want to write a hello world, you need to print it out in the console. You can use system dot out dot println. Print also can get it, but you use a println for writing it in the new line, print println. Then you use inside, you can write whatever you want in the codes, like first hello world, hello world java, hello world java. This is this when you execute this, you can display hello world in the console. Let's see, this is a star says that the file is not saved. You need to save it. File save, control command s. This is in Eclipse in Mac, so the syntax within the what you call in Windows will be different. So you can go to file and save button. You can click on the save button. Next, we need to run the file. For that, you need to click run. You can go to the runs compilers and here run it. You can see the hello world java is displayed. You can also change it. You can see that you can change hello world java with hash triple hash. You need to save first, save first, then you run. You see hello world dot, it is hello world dot java with the things which you are updated. This is how, this is the first java hello world program. Thank you very much.